Hi guys. Alright, so I was actually gonna head out because the Capitol was pretty much the same. And they got a lot of like police set to the side, so we're just gonna see what happens. I don't know if it's a motorcade coming through or they got their blinkies on. I mean, they might actually tell me to leave. I don't know, but they let's see. They go all the way down the street. You can see blinkies way down there. So let's just see what happens. Never got to see anything over here on this side like this before, so I don't know. And we have the Park Hilo circling, so. Very, very interesting again today around here. He's checking me out. Huh. Yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. I've never seen this, so I don't know. I'm very curious, though, because this is Maryland Avenue. I've never been over this side to see anything. It goes all the way down. Something, its light's coming. Don't know. I just went by the hotel too. They have a bunch of like black SUVs, like agents there. There is a gentleman in tan pants standing there with a big old badge on him. So I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's go here. I'm not doing nothing. Still blocked. So the Capitol is only like a block up on the left, okay? That's the Supreme Court fence right there, that black fence. There's the Capitol. Okay. I'm trying to hear where the Park Hilo is. Guys, I'm not doing anything. This gentleman Coming up on the bike. This guy's still here. I just don't know. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, guys. Look at this. I love you guys. I'm waving like a dork. You know I am. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh, my heart is like... Here's the fallen, I guess for all the fallen officers. Oh, I'm loving this. Thank you. Oh, I love you guys. We got a wave. We got some more waves. Yay. Love you guys. Woohoo. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, we're getting waves. I'm so touched right now. I just got like complete body chills. Oh my gosh. Hi, honeys. Look at this. Wow. I am just blown away. Still waving. That's it. Still waving. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm such a big sissy for this kind of stuff. Oh, we love you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is that freaking amazing or what? Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, guys. I'm going to shut down. I'm going to head home for the day and get some rest. And I think tomorrow is going to be a super cool day here. So I love y'all.